Since we've changed our farming system to a more sort of regenerative system, we've improved our soil health. And of course, if you've got greater diversity in your soils of microbiology, that feeds into the higher trophic levels and produces more food for birds in the form of invertebrates.
He's introduced wild bird seed mixes to help feed things like finches and thrushes through winter, and he has planted acres and acres of silvopasture. It utterly transformed the land.
We've got great swarms of linnets here, and they're swirling about almost like a murmuration of starlings in the numbers of them. I would say there's heading up to around 1,000 birds in this block of land, and we've got 3 other blocks with similar numbers on. So this farm potentially at the moment has 3,000 linnets on it.
The thing that Andy's done here that's so wonderful is he's put nature right at the heart of his farm, and he's used that to restore the land after decades of intense arable farming.
It is actually spectacular. It is a real joy. It's fascinating to see how quickly nature recovers when you just give it that little opportunity to do it.